Hi, in this video I will show you how to log in into ClipKraft AI Thumbnail Studio. I will also show you the dashboard and the main features. First, click on Sign In button here. Now you have two options. You're able to log in with your Google email account, or you can create an account with ClipKraft AI. This time I will log in with Google. Click on Continue with Google here. Great. Once you are logged in, you will see the main dashboard, and here you have the Thumbnail Studio. Here you can generate text to image with a persona. We also have a tutorial video that's showing step by step how to create a thumbnail from text to image with a persona. And here you're able to copy any YouTube video link, paste it here, and create a thumbnail with a persona. We also have a video step by step showing that on our YouTube channel. We have the photo upload, where you're able to upload any photo and you're able to create a thumbnail from that. You're also able to add text, you're able to change anything in the image with the AI edit, and you're able to adjust colors. Now, let's go back to the dashboard and we click on thumbnail video. You're able to upload any image, thumbnail image, and create it to a video. And you also can choose any thumbnail from the library and generate a video. The library is here, we will go through it later. Now let's go back to the dashboard. And here we have the edit thumbnail. Of course, edit thumbnail feature, you can find them in the Thumbnail Studio for the text to image and YouTube URL and the upload image. Here you can upload an image and you can do editing. You can add text, you can use the AI edit to change anything in the image, and you can adjust colors, brightness, and so on. Now let's go back to the dashboard and we click on Create Persona. Here you're able to create as much personas you want for free. And it's very simple. You just upload 2 to 3 images, follow the instructions, and you will get a great personas. Now you can create as much personas you want. Let's go back to the dashboard. And here we have the Marketing Studio, where you are able to create a marketing image with the product and persona. You upload the product and you choose your persona, and you create with a prompt, you create whatever you want. You can also use image blend, where you upload 2 images with a prompt. You can create a marketing image or anything you want. Now let's go back to the dashboard and we have the library. Here, every thumbnail you create will be saved here in the library. And of course, there is a message that after 48 hours, thumbnails will be deleted by the oldest. So we always recommend to download this as soon as you generate it. Here we have the affiliate program. Anyone can join the program and earn 30% of every sale. And we have the settings. And here you can see your profile information, the email address you have logged in with, and the full name. You're able to change the full name if you like. Now click on subscription. Here you can see your current plan, and you're able to manage subscription by upgrading the plan, downgrading, or buying just credits. We go to security, and here in the security, you're able to enable the 2-factor authentication, and you're enable the login notification, and you are able to change the password also. Now let's go to brand kit, and the brand kit here you can upload your logos and any other things that related to your brand. Mostly it's used by the Marketing Studio. That's everything. And just remember, every feature that we have been talking about has a specific tutorial video on our YouTube channel that you can watch. It's very short and it has a lot of advice. Thank you.